Worthington Cylinders of Canada manufactures a broad range of high-pressure gas cylinders in Tilbury, Ontario. These cylinders are used in markets such as industrial gases, medical gases, fire protection, specialty electronic gases, military applications, and SCUBA cylinders. Product quality and public safety are the major focus in the design and manufacture of these products. Our DOT and TC cylinders are made from a high-grade chromoly alloy. Very stringent requirements are placed on grain structure, impurity levels, and microcleanliness. Raw material is spheroidized annealed for greatest ductility in deep draw operations. Lubrication of the raw material prior to deep drawing consists of zinc phosphate and sodium stearate, or soap. Blanks can be seen here emerging from the liquefied soap tank. Once the blanks are allowed to dry, they are sintered over an intake die for the first of 2 or 3 deep draw and ironing operations. This tooling is made from either high-grade tool steel, or it is sometimes inserted with carbide to provide better wear resistance. The first draw or cupping press utilizes up to 800 tons of force to complete the draw. After the cup exits the last ironing die, stripper jaws are engaged to remove the cup from the mandrel. After annealing, cleaning, and relubrication operations, first draw cups and secondary cups are processed through the final draw. This press utilizes up to 250 tons of force. Since draw rates are relatively quick, a flood-type coolant is used to prevent overheating. Most SCUBA cylinders are produced in 3 draws, each performing approximately 60% reduction of the material diameter and thickness. The deep draw and ironing process produces SCUBA cylinders with optimum buoyancy characteristics due to excellent wall thickness control. In order to accurately control cylinder uniformity and length, the open end of the shell is subject to a trimming operation. After ultrasonic inspection is completed, an oxygen fuel gas torch is used to heat the open end of the cylinder shell to approximately 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. The hot spinning process is used to form the upper portion of the cylinder. It is placed into a spinning lathe that operates at about 1000 RPM and is programmed using CNC technology. Using synchronous movements of 2 axes, the machine gradually forms the shoulder and neck areas of the cylinder. The hot spinning process must be carried out with care and expertise so that folds or other defects are not introduced into the neck area of the cylinder. Shoulder profiles are normally hemispherical in shape, with a thickness approaching 2 to 3 times the sidewall thickness near the neck. Worthington cylinders are closed completely prior to heat treatment, which minimizes interior oxidation for a smoother surface finish. All cylinders are processed through a direct-fired austenitizing furnace, followed by an aqueous polymer quenchant, and then a direct-fired tempering furnace. These furnaces are computer-controlled to ensure optimum and consistent mechanical properties needed to meet regulatory and customer needs. Cylinders are then machined to provide the required internal thread and O-ring groove if necessary. Machining coolants are 100% synthetic so that hydrocarbons are not introduced into the cylinder. Oxides that are formed during heat treat operations are removed by shot blasting. This is a very effective method of cleaning steel surfaces. The cylinder interior is also blasted to provide excellent cleanliness. Hydrostatic testing is performed using the volumetric expansion method. Prior to performing the test, the internal volume and tare weight is recorded for each individual cylinder. Cylinders are either pressurized to 5/3 of service pressure for DOT 3AA cylinders or to a different specified value for special permit cylinders. Once testing is complete, cylinders are cleaned with hot water and purified air. Cylinders are permanently marked with regulatory information, such as the specification, service pressure, test date, and serial number. Often, additional customer markings will be added. The majority of industrial gas cylinders, a corrosion-resistant primer combined with a top coat is a sufficient finishing system. SCUBA cylinders receive the best corrosion protection available for steel. Hot dip galvanizing. Cylinders are prepped, submersed in a kettle of molten zinc, and then are slowly removed to provide an attractive yet durable coating. Cleaning, polishing, and packaging follow this process. Worthington SCUBA cylinders are then ready to ship to our distributors.